So I have seen people get credit cards right after they filed for bankruptcy, while they were still in the bankruptcy process in general. I'm not sure if they have received anything, but I know they have started like getting credit cards right away. Not saying that they should have done this, but they have started getting approvals for credit cards right away. So there's credit cards out there that when you guys file for bankruptcy, even though you guys file for bankruptcy, they will still give you credit cards, even if you were to burn them too. When I say burn them, you put them within your bankruptcy, they will still offer you more credit cards, which is very, very different, but they will still do that. But when it comes down to getting credit cards, especially if you guys are in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you are required to, ask to make sure that you guys can take on more credit. So just make sure you follow the rules that you guys have to follow. Now, I told you guys, there was a company and people was telling me about how they had Capital One. They included Capital One in their bankruptcy, and they still was able to get approved for Capital One after they included them in their bankruptcy, which was really amazing to me. It's like, wow, you included them in your bankruptcy and you still was able to get approved for more credit cards, which is amazing. Some people said that they had to get the secure credit card, the Quicksilver secure credit card. They got the platinum and the Quicksilver, and then they was able to get just a regular credit card, like a platinum and a Quicksilver credit card, which is really, really amazing. Another credit card that I know for sure you're going to be able to get after you file for bankruptcy is Credit One Bank. If you guys file for bankruptcy, they're going to be able to give you a credit card so that you guys can start back building up your credit. But again, figure out if you can, you're supposed to get that credit card and ask for, whatever permission you need to ask for. But I have seen people get additional credit. Now, I believe that this video, I haven't looked at these questions in a little while, but I believe that this is answering your question. If not, please let us know, 833 Rickita, so that I can, that's my phone number, 833 Rickita, to spell out my name. Call us and then I'll make you another video, or if you need to talk, we can go ahead and talk and figure out what you have to do if you need to